Text play a vital role in your video, so I'm going to go ahead and give you 3 tips right now on how you can get better text in your videos in 60 seconds, starting right now. So if you want to go ahead and make your text pop and stand out and be unique, don't use your computer's default font. They can be a little bit stagnant and everybody uses the same font. So go ahead and search online. There's plenty of places where you can download the fonts for free. Once you have the font downloaded, you want to go ahead and add a drop shadow to it. This gives it a little bit of a 3D imagery, okay? It makes it stand out, and there's so many different creative ways to add the shadow as well. Once you've added the shadow, go ahead and animate it. You can make it drop in from the top, from the sides, and you can even make it fly in as well. Do this easily on your video editor and make sure to use the graph tool to make this smooth. Why did I do that? If you're new here, my name is Damien Ruth. I put out tips and strategy videos all around digital marketing, social media marketing, which is a huge passion of mine, make money online. If any of this relates to you and you've enjoyed today's content, please do go ahead and smash that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. And I shall see you on the next video. Tips to better text in your YouTube videos in 60 seconds. So if you want to get better tips to getting better writing. Too high. Tips to fonts. Font.